Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Here we are inspired with a 90s grunge makeup tutorial. If you're interested in how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. I'm currently using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Just go ahead and use it as a base for our foundation, and then I'm going ahead with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. This is just going to give us that natural glow in order for our foundation to be nice and poppin'. Here we are using the KK Beauty Matte Smoke Eyeshadow Palette. We're going to go ahead and start building up our eyeshadow, starting off with the crease. You want to get in with the lighter shade and then go ahead and build up the intensity with the darker shades in the palette. Just keep on blending, blend, blend, blend. This is what's going to help bring your eyeshadow all together. We're going to go ahead and take that mauve shade and we're going to go ahead and blend it out into our crease. I know my eyeshadow looks kind of crazy right now and it's pointy as hell, but I promise you it's going to look so much better in the end. Again, we're going into the KK Beauty Classic palette. Again, we're going to go ahead and work into our crease. We're going to go ahead and build up the eyeshadows to the way that we like it, and then we're just going to continue to blend, guys. Here's our intense grungy eyeshadow makeup look, you guys. I definitely am having raccoon vibes. If you haven't heard already, I am a wildlife expert, so to speak. Anyways, we're going to go in with the Fenty Foundation. We're going to dot that all over our face and blend it in nicely with our Morphe brush. A little trick that I use with concealer as I'm doing anything extravagant like the smoky eyeshadow look, I like to use my concealer as I'm applying it all over my face just to help clean up any areas and diminish any harsh lines from your eyeshadow. This is just a trick that I like to use, and then once we go ahead and finish applying the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the eyeshadow and just go ahead and blend out everything. That way everything looks seamlessly nice, and then we're going to go ahead and set our face with loose powder. So you definitely don't forget to set your under eyes along with your whole face. Once we apply all the setting powder, we're going to go ahead and start contouring with the Marc Jacobs Contour palette. This was a birthday gift from my best friend Karima. Shout out to her. She is a real one. She knows me so well when it comes to makeup. So we're going to go ahead and contour our face to make sure that we snatch, uplift, create like that faux face lift. So we're going to go ahead and contour away. NARS Orgasm X blush. We're gonna go ahead and put that all over our cheekbones along with our nose just to help create like that sunburn effect, but don't go too crazy, then y'all gonna look like clowns. And then we're gonna go ahead with the KKW Beauty mascara along with the Telescopic mascara. This is just gonna help open up our eyes and also help with us putting falsies. Again, I'm putting my falsies off camera because we ain't pros yet. So you guys, this is what's gonna finally bring the makeup look all together. I'm going in with the Black Cherry Lip Gloss and the 90s Chic Matte Lipstick, again by KKW Beauty Products. And then I'm also lining it up with a NYX Suede Lip Liner. I forgot what shade it is, but you guys, these two combined together. And then also, can we talk about how bomb this lip gloss is? It literally gave me fall vibes, and it definitely finished off the look for me. So that's it for the makeup look, you guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I had so much fun creating this makeup look for y'all. Until next time, friends.